Hi, welcome to Bedtime Stories. My name is Nicole, and I'm your host. I appreciate your company tonight. Tonight's story is Christmas Joy. If you enjoyed my story, please remember to bookmark, follow, and share. Your support is appreciated. In a distant village, there lived a lively little dog named Buck, a gentle lamb named Lily, and a clever little white rabbit named Snowball. This trio of small animals resided in a lush green meadow, sharing a deep and lasting friendship. As the much-anticipated Christmas approached, the entire village was immersed in the festive atmosphere. Buck, being curious, had heard that Santa Claus would bring gifts to well-behaved little animals. Intrigued by this, he decided to spend the special day with his friends Lily and Snowball. After much deliberation, Buck, Lily, and Snowball decided to celebrate with a small party on Christmas Eve. They planned to make Christmas snacks together and prepare for the magical night. On the eve of Christmas, the little animals gathered early, ready to embark on their preparations. Snowball brought out her secret carrot cake recipe, and Buck took charge of preparing delicious bone-shaped cookies. Lily contributed fresh strawberries and blueberries to make juice. The kitchen was filled with delightful aromas as the animals enthusiastically tasted each other's creations. They chatted while eating, sharing their expectations and wishes for Christmas. Buck dreamed of receiving a soft new blanket. Lily hoped to grow even more beautiful wool in the coming year. And Snowball envisioned herself frolicking freely in the snow. With everything set, the animals decided to set up a small tent on the meadow, ready to welcome the special night. They lit candles inside the tent, creating a warm and cozy atmosphere. The trio sat around, singing cheerful Christmas carols. The night sky twinkled with stars, as if adding a touch of magic to the heartwarming scene. Suddenly, the sound of bells echoed, and snowflakes began to gently fall from the sky. The animals excitedly peered outside and discovered a group of adorable elves bringing magical gifts from Santa Claus. Buck, Lily, and Snowball rushed out to greet these lovely creatures. The elves had carefully prepared gifts for each little animal. Buck received his coveted soft blanket. Lily got a beautiful blue ribbon, and Snowball was presented with a sparkling crown. The animals hugged each other with joy and gratitude. After sharing their gifts, the little animals returned to the tent, continuing their festive party. They enjoyed the delicious food, shared joyful stories, and played until late into the night. Beneath the starry sky, they nestled close to each other, savoring the precious moment. As the night deepened, the animals gradually drifted off to sleep inside the tent, their dreams filled with anticipation for the future and appreciation for their cherished friendship. On this special Christmas night, Buck, Lily, and Snowball shared an unforgettable adventure, and the beautiful memories would accompany them into the future.